So this is my second attempt at filming this freaking video because the first time was in shambles. Okay, shambles. Right now though, I'm just smearing this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation all over my face so we can cover up all them dusty dark circles. Okay, and I forgot to prime, so let's not even mention it. Let's not even mention it. We definitely gonna be snatched for Valentine's Day. So I'm taking this e.l.f. cream contour palette and just mixing all the contour shades and lightly snatching the face a little bit, a little soft snatch or whatever. I feel the love, feel the love. I wanted to mix it up a little bit, so I'm taking the concealer shade from the contour palette and just brightening up the eyes a little bit. And we're gonna go back behind it with like some actual concealer, but I just wanted to test it out. For my actual concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 115 Medium. And I'm only using a little bit. Like, I want the face to be really soft and the eyes to be like, bam, like in your face, like what it is. You feel me? You feel me? Next, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution banana powder and setting my whole face. Sometimes I like this powder, and then sometimes this powder really be trying to play me. Like this night, this powder was really trying to play me. Okay, so I just got my Morphe 3502 palette in the mail. I just ordered it. So we're going to start off with that. So I'm taking this mauve shade as my transition shade because I know I want a pink eye look. So we're going to pop that in the crease or whatever. After that, I'm going to take this deeper mauve shade and place that right under the mauve shade we just put in the crease. We're just adding definition little by little. This process probably seems like super extra, but it's necessary. Okay, so we're going to take this deeper purple shade and we're going to pop that in the crease as well. So that way, when I cut it and like make this bomb ass halo eye, it looks like super, super, super defined. To set my halo eye, I'm just adding some La Mercier translucent powder so that it's like super white and so it stands out for when I pile all these other colors on top. Okay, so we're taking a small blending brush and popping this hot pink shade on the very outer edges of your halo eye because we're going to pile another color after that. So we're just kind of layering and creating some dimension. It's going to look super, super good. I feel like the key to using really bold colors is like building them up instead of just starting off with a whole bunch of pigment, because the more you build it up, like the more blended it looks, and then at the end like the look just looks way better. Okay, so I'm taking my Mondo Renaissance palette, taking the shade of Red Ochre, and we're going to put that on the very outer edges of our eye. It's going to look super good because we're going to build it up, okay, add a little dimension, okay, and we're going to be popping. This look is popping. This is the most extra Valentine's look you going to get. Next, I'm going to use the MAC Mixing Medium as glitter glue for our glitter, and I'm going to put that in the center of the lid. This glitter, I got it online from Amazon. There was like a pack of 45 glitters for 11 bucks, and I bought it, and it's popping, and I love it. But yeah, we're just taking that and popping it in the center of our halo eye. It's going to look so good in the light, okay? When you dancing with your little boo, okay, you're going to look good.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3.
Step totally isn't necessary, but I'm extra, so I'm taking this NYX pink glitter liner and I'm just putting that in my inner tear duct and then putting some on the lid because I don't know, I want to be extra. I'm extra. For the lower lash line, I just put the pink closest to my lash line and then I smoked out the bottom of the pink with the purple. It's cute. That's all you gotta do. It's real easy.
Give my glass full until morning light. Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. Help me, I'm holding on for dear. Won't look up, won't open my. Keep my glass full until morning light. Cause I'm just holding on.
So next I'm bronzing up the face with this extra large Milani bronzer. It's literally called extra large Milani bronzer. And then I'm gonna contour with this Powder Elf contour kit with the 2 bottom shades. And we're just gonna lightly snatch the face some more. Forgot to show you guys, but I'm using the Milani powder blush in the shade Tea Rose. It's my fave. Okay, so in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Gleam Glow Kit, I'm taking the Hard Candy shade and applying that as my highlight first. It's more of like a base because it's pink, so we're just using it as like a pink highlight base. Then, to make sure you blind your boo on Valentine's Day, you're gonna take the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter and we're just gonna smear that everywhere. We're just gonna smear it everywhere because, yeah, we're just gonna smear it. Yeah, I was literally too hype when they put the Morphe Prep and Set back in stock. Look at the mist. Look at the mist, baby. What? For the lips, I really did some layering. So I took this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. I don't really remember the shade, but it's pink. And we put it on there. And then I layered like a peachy nude on top of that. And then like a clear gloss. But I like sheared it out with a paper towel because I didn't want it to be too strong. Like I just needed like a nice nude lip. You know? Yeah, you know. Alright everybody, and that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed my little extra ass Valentine's Day look. Follow me on all my socials, subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!